Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some important facts related to probability. Since as you know that probability P of E equal to n of E whole upon n of S, where P of E the probability of that events, n of E is the number of favorable events and n of S is the total number of events or total number of outcomes. Since probability of any event is always greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1, that means probability of any event is always greater than or equal to 0. That means minimum value of probability of any event may be 0 or greater than 0. But maximum value of any event is equal to 1 or less than 1. That means probability of any event varying from 0 to 1 but may be 0 and may be 1. That means 0 and 1 will be included or between 0 and 1. That means in the simple language we can say that any negative number never probability of any event and greater than 1 never probability of any event. But when probability of any event will be 0 and when probability of any event will be 1. Defining for this, first we try, there are two type of events. First is impossible event and second is sure event. What is the possible event, impossible event, and what is the sure event? That means those events which have not happened is known as impossible event, and those events will be happen surely is known as sure event. Example, if we take a coin and that coin is and tossing that coin one time, and if you want to find or if you want to get in the head and tail both together upward direction, then this is the impossible. So this type of event is known as impossible event and probability of this type of event is 0. That means probability of impossible events is 0. We take another example, that is, suppose in a bag there are 10 oranges and one fruit drop from this bag, but that fruit should be apple. In the bag there are only 10 orange, not any apple. But when you draw a fruit from that bag, then if you want to that fruit should be apple, this is the impossible because apple is not in bag. So you can't draw apple from this bag. This type of event is known as impossible event and probability of that fruit will be apple will be 0. That means probability of fruit will be apple is equal to 0. This is the probability of impossible event and this type of event is known as impossible events. Now sure event. What is the sure event? Take same example. If you draw another fruit or one fruit from this bag and that fruit is orange. That fruit is orange. That should be orange. Then what will be probability? That means probability of that fruit will be orange equal to 10 upon 10. That means this is the 1. That means if there are 10 orange in this bag and a fruit drawn from here, then there are 10 ways to draw one fruit from this bag. That means that fruit should be orange. So favorable event will be 10 and total event will be also 10. Ratio of favorable and total is 1. That means you can say that probability of sure event is always 1. Probability of sure event is always 1. Now we will discuss here what is the negation, means what is the probability of any event which is not happen. That means suppose probability of passing the examination of any student will be something, then what is the probability of same student in the same examination will be not pass the exam? Then this type of event, that means probability of happening of any event, this is the next concept. If the probability of happening of any event denoted by P of E and unhappening of same event or not happening of same event is denoted by P of not E, this is read as P of not E, will be always equal to 1. That means sum of probability of happening of any event and probability of happening of not happening of same event is always 1. That means from this relation you can get probability of happening of any event equal to 1 minus probability of happening of probability of not happening of same event. That is another transformation, P of E equal to 1 minus P of not E, or P of not E equal to 1 minus P of E. All students should be clear what is the P of E. P of E means probability of happening of event, and P of not E probability of not happening of same event. Now in the next video we will take some numerical problem related to